Sir, up to this, how you can write a Python code by using what? Normal notepad. But that approach is not recommended, man. Sir, now I want to use in my Python classes the most commonly used editor. Of course, I'm going to use, sir, Editplus, sir. Editplus editor I want to use, sir, for our Python applications to develop Python programs, right? What is the advantage when compared with the normal notepad, this Editplus? The advantage is, sir, syntax highlighter will be there. I mean, so keywords in some color, string literals in some color, seems to be instead of black and white colorful. Okay, like second advantage, indentation, these kind of things automatically it is going to take care. Sir, what is the meaning of indentation? Slowly in the next sessions we will. So in Python, the most important concept indentation is there. I will discuss about that. So Python enabled editor can aware Python syntax, so it will provide support automatically based on the Python requirement. That's why let me go for Editplus. Now my question is, how to install Editplus in my system? How to download and install Editplus in my system? It's very simple, sir. Of course, is it paid version or free version, sir? It is the paid version only. Okay, like, but anyway, 30 days free trial will be there. After that, if you want, you can go for next. If you want, you can go for registered. I mean, yeah, licensed version, right? 30 days trial period is there. Okay, like, have a look once, sir. How you can install, how you can download and install Editplus. Sir, now I have to go for, okay, I required to go for editplus.com. This is the website, sir. Editplus.com. This is the website what we have. Okay, well, let me check. Let me open editplus.com. Editplus. Okay, editplus.com. Have you observed, right? What I'm trying to type? Editplus.com. Okay, like I'm trying to take. Okay, Editplus. Okay, Editplus text editor with FTP, FTPS, SFTP capabilities, right? Sir, click here to buy. Download Editplus 5.1. Sir, anyway, what are various versions are available? Okay, download. Are you getting download? Let me check, sir. Let me go for, sir, here do you know Editplus 5.1 evolution version is there. Download for 64-bit, download for 64-bit, like, so it is the evolution version, not a stable version. Are you getting? It is the evolution version 5.1, not stable version. Better to go for, sir, old versions. How I can get old version? Previous version. There is a link is there, previous version. Let me click this one, sir. Previous version. Okay, in that previous version, sir, which version is there? Okay, download Editplus version 4. Are you getting? Download Editplus version 4. Okay, let me download this one. Just click this one. Okay, if I click this, automatically download is going to be started. It's already downloaded, sir. EPP 430 64-bit, like this we are getting. Let me show in folder. Okay, now, sir, this is the file what I have, sir. EPP, like, let me copy this one and let me paste on my desktop, sir. Sir, you know it's already there. It's already copy and replace. Don't worry at all. Okay, or otherwise, 1 minute, sir, where it or otherwise, just let me replace the name, rename something, like in my system this file is already there, sir, like now. Okay, here just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Let me copy this exe file and let me paste here. Okay, that's all. So now if you observe that this is the software related to Editplus exe, sir. Okay, like, sir, up to this what we did, we opened what we call editplus.com. We opened editplus.com. From there are two versions I'm seeing. One is Editplus 5.1, another is Editplus 4, which is the stable version. 4 is the stable version. Just I downloaded the software. Now I have to install in my system. It's very easy. You are not required to worry at all. Have a look once, sir. What I have to take is just click this exe file. Okay, run. So like do you want to accept terms and conditions? Okay, accept. Okay, like so yes, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? Yes, sir. C colon start copy, like this, right? So have you observed, right? Congratulations, setup completed successfully, like this. The biggest thing what you can see here, Editplus editor icon you are getting, sir. Okay, now let me open this one. Let me open. Yes, okay, like this. Okay, now sir, overwrite existing files, like sir. Now it's immediately is asking sir, username and register code. Okay, username and register code it is going to ask, but I'm not having. I want a trial version only. Just click trial version, right? So if I click trial version, yes, your 30-day evaluation period will be started, but in my system has already expired. That's why it is telling has been already expired, because I used earlier this version, sir. That's why it's already expired. Don't worry, just I agree, like you have to click that. Now just let me keep aside. Okay, like that's all. So now in my system, Editplus software is ready, which can be used to write Python programs very, very easily. The advantage is syntax highlighter is there, indentation, all the things automatically it is going to take care. Okay, like sir, how you can type the code, how you can save, how you can execute, sir? Very simple. Have a look once. In the Editplus, at the top you can see file. Are you getting, right? File, like this, right? Let me click this file, new file, new other file, new other, like observe that normal text, HTML page, browse, C or C++, Perl, Java, like even other is also there. So what other languages supported by Editplus? Let me file, sir, new other, like this, right? Sir, can you please have a look once? What are various things supported by Editplus, sir? Sir, normal text, HTML, C or C++, Perl, PHP, Java, JSP, JavaScript, VBScript, CSS, XML, C#, Python, Ruby, eRuby, Markdown. Sir, anyway, sir, our Python is there. Even Java is also there. In my Java programs, usually I am using the same editor, sir. Sir, Python is there. Okay, like now what I want to take? Python file I want. Okay, now sir, Python enabled page is coming, sir. Here you can type your code, save this code with the .py extension, and you can run from the command prompt. That's all, very simple. Write your Python code, save this file with the name, okay, with the .py extension. From the command prompt you can execute what there inside. Sir, now I want to take, sir, here I'm taking read, okay, just print welcome message, for the given number of times, this is about my requirement, right? First read a number from the keyboard. N is equal to int of input of enter some number, like this I'm taking, sir. Enter some number, like okay. Now for I in range of n, print welcome to Durgasoft, Python classes. Okay, like I'm taking some. That's all, sir. Now when compared with the normal notepad, when compared with the normal notepad, sir, what speciality is there? Observe that normal notepad is like this. Do you know? Have you observed, right? Normal notepad is something like only black and white, no Python enabled and so on. But in the Editplus, sir, color, it is the inbuilt function, string literal, like keyword, for is the keyword, in is the keyword, print is the method, something like print function, like so clear, enable syntax highlighter is there, indentation automatically it's going to take care, sir. Okay, so that's why when compared with the normal notepad, highly recommended to use what? Editplus. Okay, like now let me save this code, sir. Okay, let me save this code. Control yes. Okay, Control yes. Inside d colon Durga classes, test.py. I'm taking, sir, test.py. Okay, save. Sir, this file is already there, no problem, replace. Okay, like now open the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt, python test.py, like this, right? Enter some number, 10, sir, or enter some number 5. Okay, welcome to Durgasoft Python classes. 5 times it's going to print. Okay, like sir, again let me run. Even py command also you can use if your system supports. Okay, py test.py, enter some numbers are 3, then welcome to Durgasoft Python classes 3 times, like this it's going to print. Friends, any doubt about this terminology, right? So this is the way how you can install, how you can download, install Editplus, how you can write first Python code, okay, by using Editplus, right? Sir, I want to go for one more program by using editor. All my Python classes, sir, use this approach only. Open Editplus, open the new file, type something, okay, save that with the test.py, open the command prompt, execute that. That's all, sir. This is the environment what I'm going to use for my next Python sessions. I will look once. Sir, open here file, okay, file new other Python, okay, like open. Sir, this is now I want to read 2 numbers from the keyboard, read 2 numbers from the keyboard and print sum and product, okay, like sir, n1 is equal to int of input of enter first number, like I'm taking, sir. Sir, n2 is equal to int of enter second number, like this. 2 numbers I'm going to take. Sir, print of the sum is n1 plus n2. Print of the product n1 into n2, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. n1 into n2, like this I'm taking. Sir, let me save this code as okay, just test2.py. okay, I'm using test2.py. .py extension must be compulsory. Save, it's already there, no problem, right? Okay, save, replace. Okay, open the command prompt and py test2.py. enter first number 10, sir. Enter second number 20, the sum 30 and the product 200, like this, right? Enter first number, okay, sum 25. Enter second number 45, okay, the sum 70 and the product 1125. Perfectly it's going to work. Everyone in the position to understand how to install Python, how to install Editplus, how you can run, how you can write Python program, how you can run, sir. Sir, that's all. This is the what environment setup what I'm going to use for our Python classes. But make sure one small point I have to highlight for you people, right? Sir, somewhere you may heard about IDEs. Regarding you may heard about Python IDEs, integrated development environments. Okay, there are some IDEs are there. Okay, like Eclipse, PyCharm. Next, do you know Atom? Next, Spider, like multiple IDEs are there, sir. So what is the biggest advantage if I use these IDEs? Sir, most of the code will be generated automatically. Are you getting? Most of the code will be generated automatically. Being a programmer, we are not required to write much code. We are required to write very less code. This IDE itself is going to provide the support. Are you getting? Next, open the command prompt, run, such type of thing also not required. Directly, this IDE will provide runtime environment also. Okay, like there are multiple benefits are there. But if you are learner, you don't know anything about Python, you started learning of the Python, compulsory, highly recommended to use a normal editor like Editplus. Don't use these IDEs at the beginning. What the reason for that is, sir, most of the code will be generated automatically. every time it is going to provide suggestions, that method, this method and so on, the chance of learning opportunity will be down. You won't get that much, you won't learn that much freely. So if you go for Editplus, you have to type each and everything on your own, so that you will get much clarity on the concept. Okay, everything we are doing manually, so internally what thing is happening we should aware, but here most of the thing will be done automatically. IDE we don't know much. That's why at the beginning days, until completing core Python, advanced Python, don't use IDEs. Tomorrow if you are going to learn machine learning, I will use a Spider editor. If you are going to learn, do you know something like Django web development framework, I will use Atom editor. Like there we are going to explore high level to learn high end, we will use this one. But core Python, advanced Python, strict to Editplus only. Clear for all of it, right? Any doubt?